How to set up TikTok live studio for gaming. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up the TikTok live studio for gaming. So let's get started. First of all, go to the website of TikTok and download this TikTok live studio. So you gotta note one thing, that it only supports 64-bit Windows 10 or newer version. So if you do have this, you can just click on download, and once you download that, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you got to select this add source. So once you click on add source, you'll be able to see something like this in front of you. So among the options, you got to select the option that is game capture. So you can just click on game capture. And once you click on that, you will be redirected to this interface. Now here you need to type down or add your game capture. So you can either capture full screen application, or you can capture only a specific application. For example, if you only want your game to be captured and you don't want any other application or the whole application be captured, so only your gameplay would be captured. So here you can just select your game. Note that you need to be running your game at the moment in order to TikTok to pick that. So if you want the whole application to be captured, you can just click on that. So here you can just select the game, and then you can select compatible mode for better gameplay. And then if you want your cursor to be shown, and if you have selected the game, you can just click on add source. And if you want the whole application, you can just click on this and then just click on add source. And once you click on add source, you'll be able to see the specific game. Obviously, if you have that up and running, you'll be able to see that game over here. So there are two types of modes. One is portrait mode, that how the people streaming that on the mobile device would be able to see the game, and the other is landscape mode, that how the people using PC or tablets would be able to see the game. If you wish to add camera to it as well, you can click on add source over here and select the camera that you are using. And you can also alter the settings, like where you want your camera to be. For example, if you want your game to be at the top of the screen and you want your camera to be seen at the bottom of the screen, you can just select that where you want them to be. So you can just position them according to your own choice. And that is how you can set up TikTok live studio for gaming. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.